Welcome back to Maths with Miss Buick. In these four examples, we're concentrating on factorising these expressions using the difference of two squares method. First of all, it's important to note how to recognise a difference of two squares. Well, it is in the words. So difference in maths means take away. So you can see here they're all being taken away. And then two squares. Well, both parts of the question has to be a square. So for example, 16 is a square number because two of the same numbers when multiplied give 16, so 4 by 4. 25 is a square number. Two same numbers when multiplied together gives us 25, so 5 by 5. 4 is a square number as two of the same numbers when multiplied together give us 4, so 2 by 2. So it's very important that we have two squares in all of these questions here and a takeaway sign in between. That implies that your question is difference of two squares. So we begin by opening up two brackets. So every question starts off like this. And we say, what two same numbers when multiply give 16? And we know it's 4. So there's our 4 and our 4. Now we say, how do we get x squared with two same letters? So x multiplied by x is x squared. So put our x down as well. And then we say, what two same numbers give us 25? So we know it's 5 and a 5. And what two same letters give us y squared? So y by y. And then the final part of the question is, we have to put signs in here. And one sign will be a positive and the other sign will be a negative. So positive, plus and minus. However, if we put the minus in here and the positive in there, the answer is still correct. Okay, the next one. Again, we open up two brackets and we say, what two same letters give us x squared? So we say x by x. What two same letters give us y squared? Y and y. And what two same numbers when multiplied together give us 1? And of course it's 1 multiplied by 1. 1 and a 1. And then we put in a plus and a negative. On to the next one. So open up again two brackets. We say to ourselves, what two same numbers give us 4? So it's a 2 and a 2. What two same letters give us a squared? So a by a, so 2a so far and 2a so far. And what two same letters give us b squared? So b and a b. Make them more clearer. B and a b. And then we say, what two same numbers give us 16? So 4 and 4. And then what two same letters give us c squared? So c and c. And we put a plus in one and a negative in the other. And finally, on to the last one, probably the most difficult out of them all. But don't get fooled, because we can see here that this is still a square number, because we know that when we see a square in a bracket, it's itself multiplied by itself. So we open up two brackets, so I'll make them quite big this time. Now, so we say to ourselves, well, this bracket is being squared, so itself multiplied by itself. So itself multiplied by itself. And then we say, what two numbers give us 4? The same two numbers. So that'll be 2 in one, a 2 in the other. And then we simply put a plus in one and a negative in the other.